Hello students, in this video we will solve a numerical 2 on magnetic boundary condition. Let me start. Given magnetic field H1, it is minus 2ax plus 6ay plus 4az ampere per meter. In the region y minus x minus 2 less or equal than 0, where mu1 is 4 mu naught, then calculate H2 and B2 in the region y minus x minus 2 greater or equal than 0, where mu2 is equal to 2 mu naught. So this is the boundary given. This boundary is y minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So in this region, medium 2 is present where mu2 is 2 mu naught, and in this region, medium 1 is present where mu1 is equal to 4 mu naught. So this is the boundary which is given here. In this case, magnetic field H1 is given minus 2ax plus 6ay plus 4az ampere per meter. And this magnetic field has two components. One is tangential component and another one is normal component. So if any one of the component, either H10 or Hn1, if we calculate, then other component we will directly obtain. So plane is given y minus x minus 2 is equal to f. So it's we will calculate its gradient, and gradient is ay minus ax. So perpendicular unit vector to the plane, it is ay minus ax by root 2, because gradient is always perpendicular to the plane, that we already know, and this is normal vector an vector. So hn1 it is equal to h1 dot an vector, right? This is hn1 which is a normal component of the magnetic field. So it is minus 2ax plus 6ay plus 4az and dot product with ay minus ax by root 2, and again we will apply this vector ay minus ax by root 2. So when we dot product it, so this answer comes as 2 by root 2 plus 6 by root 2 into this 1 by root 2 ay minus ax. So this answer, when we solve, this answer is 4ay minus 4ax. This is hn1. And to calculate h10 is h1 minus hn1. So h10, which is a tangential component, total magnetic field is minus of 2x plus 6ay plus 4az, and we will subtract a normal component from this field, and it is 4ay minus 4ax. And after solving, we get h10. H10 is 2ax plus 2ay plus 4az. So this is h10. Now, according to boundary condition, H10 is equal to H10 because there is no surface current given. So these two components will directly be equated, and this is equal to 2ax plus 2ay plus 4az. And another boundary condition is Bn1 is equal to Bn2. So Bn1 it is mu1 Hn1 and Bn2 is mu2 Hn2. So mu1 is 5 mu naught and hn1 is 4ay minus 4ax is equal to mu2. Mu2 is 2 mu naught, which is given, and hn2 we have to calculate. So after solving, we can get hn2. Hn2 is 5 into 2ay minus 2ax, and hn2 is 10ay minus 10ax. So this is our answer for hn2. Now total magnetic field H2, it is H10 plus Hn2. So H10 is 2ax plus 2ay plus 4az plus Hn2. Hn2 is 10ay minus 10ax, and when we solve it, then this H2 comes as minus 8ax plus 12ay plus 4az, and this is our required answer. And B2 is equal to mu2 into H2, and it is 2 mu naught into H2. we will multiply 2 mu naught with H2 and we will get B2. So this is our answer. So thank you for watching the video.